TikTok now has group chats and stickers in direct messages. As direct messages have become a major engagement feature on other social media platforms, TikTok is now looking to follow suit by updating its direct messaging options. On Monday, the popular short video hosting platform announced a significant upgrade that will, for the first time, enable users to create and send messages in group chats. This new feature will allow users to share fun videos and send and receive messages with friends and family within a specific group chat of up to 32 people. However, it won't be available to teenagers under 15 for safety reasons. Now, users can create a group chat directly from a video in the app by tapping the share button and selecting Create Group Chat with Friends. Users will also have the option to mute or block people in a chat with whom they don't feel comfortable. Additionally, they can report messages or entire chats if they have any security concerns. Alongside the group chat feature, TikTok is also introducing stickers in its DMs. Users can now create their own stickers on the app, including video stickers made from TikTok clips and user-created sticker sets that can be shared within the app. TikTok's updated version is available for users on the App Store, but access requires an iPhone or iPad running iOS 12 or later. Recently, TikTok also announced a new feature called Sound Search, which allows users to find a song by singing, humming, or simply playing it.